it really started with my knee. I had a knee injury years ago, and I never got it really properly resolved, and that became chronic, and I started walking differently, affected what I was doing. I've been motorcycling for a long time, 40 years or longer, and I noticed my hip was hurting and I had trouble lifting my leg back onto the bike as I took off. I would sit down sometimes and my hip would lock up. I couldn't straighten out without excruciating pain. And eventually it ended up where I should have gone taken care of sooner, but went through the process of identifying an orthopedic surgeon. Ended up with Dr. Goldberg, which was a really fortuitous thing. As soon as he came into the room the first time I met him, I knew that this person was an efficient and spoke directly to the point and confident in what he does. Extremely efficient person. And he examined me and recommended that I have the left hip replaced. I was really impressed with his computer-assisted models that he develops prior to surgery. They were in exquisite detail, which I thought was really impressive. And I didn't hesitate for a moment to sign up for the concierge services because it was a little more personalized, and that appealed to me. Dr. Goldberg offered me his personal cell phone number. I never did call him on that number, but it was there in case I needed it. And it was expedited in a number of ways via the hospital as well as scheduling. I wouldn't really consider having it done without that investment. It's really a small investment when you think of what's at stake. Once Dr. Goldberg completed the surgery, my quality of life has improved enormously. In fact, that I'm much more mobile. I was able to go on a vacation on a trip to a national park recently. We had a wonderful time. As far as the hip goes, I think it's just about completely recovered. It was fortuitous that I was able to identify Dr. Goldberg as my orthopedic surgeon. I would absolutely want to come back to be treated by Dr. Goldberg for orthopedic care. Thank you very much, Dr. Goldberg. That is amazing for me, what you did for me. I'm able to do things that I didn't think I was going to be able to do a few weeks ago. So thank you.